Hi, this is Vinny from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful Excel tools out there. In this video, I'll show you how to fix bad addresses in Excel using Google Maps data. If you work with customer lists, delivery records, mailing list, lead list, or business locations, you probably know how messy addresses data can get. Some addresses are incomplete, some have missing zip codes or postcodes, some are typed differently from the standard format, and sometimes you're not even sure if the address is good enough to use. Checking those addresses one by one can be quite frustrating and time-consuming. You may end up copying an address, pasting into Google Maps, checking the results, going back to Excel, correcting the row one by one, and doing the same thing for the next address. That's fine for a few records, but if you have a long spreadsheet full of customer addresses, that can take hours, if not days. And that is exactly why we created our Address Validator in Excel. This tool is designed to help you take a messy list of addresses and return cleaner, more useful location information directly inside Excel. It connects to Google Maps using your API key and checks each address against Google Maps data. And let me show you how it works. After you download the tool using the link below, open the Excel file. Before running the tool, you'll need to paste your Google Maps API key into the Settings tab. And if you do not have an API key, don't worry, I've included a step-by-step video guide that shows you how to get one in just a few minutes. After your Google Maps API key is set up, you can usually run a lot of calculations without spending anything extra. Google currently gives you a monthly credit that you can cover around 40,000 calculations per month, depending on the API being used and Google's current pricing. For most small businesses and everyday users, that's more than enough to test the tool, use it, and then run regular address checks without worrying about high costs. You'll see a simple sheet that you can paste your list of addresses. You can enter full addresses, partial addresses, zip codes, postcodes, city names, or other location detail that Google Maps can understand. In most cases, adding the country after each address gives better results, especially if you're working with international locations or addresses that may exist in more than one place. Once your addresses are ready, click the Run button to start validating. The tool will send each address to Google Maps and return cleaner address information directly inside Excel. And everything, again, stays right inside your spreadsheet. And we've been building Excel tools or Excel-based tools like this for many years, and we've got over 8,000 customers that now use our calculators and location tool for logistics, delivery, trucking, sales territories, field work, customer records, and many other real business needs. We also receive a lot of messages from customers just like you telling us how much time and effort our tools have saved them. We've got over 158 Google reviews as of now, mostly 5 stars from satisfied users that have bought and used our tools over the last 15 years, even though we only established our Google business profile a few years ago. And if you ever need help, you can reach me by email, live chat, or phone. And you can call me. You'll be talking to me directly. Yes, I do answer the phone. And this is one of the things customers appreciate most. Real support from a real person, from the developer that's actually developed this tool. Download the Address Validator in Excel using the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful Excel tools. See you next time.